My name is Chance. I know it sounds odd, but most names do if you think about them long enough. Maybe even yours. I was abandoned when I was very young. I lived on the streets, scrounging for food, sleeping wherever I could. That seemed like fun at first, but pretty soon it landed me behind bars.
Home is just beyond these tracks. We should be there before dark.
I've heard that before.
Just be very careful. Come on, you two. Watch carefully where you're going. Look both ways. Stay with me. Hurry up now.
Not so fast.
Come on, hurry up. Come on, come on. You all right, Sax?
Me? I laugh at danger.
Me too. But I'll laugh later. Let's get out of here.
I'm so sick of nature I could puke. After this, I intend to live indoors and be served fillet of mouse on a silver platter.
All right, Sassy.